That is so funny.
Wait, where's his other face? Right here. Man. I've got Evan memorabilia all over this truck.
This is an inside joke. So like years ago, someone asked like a serious question and someone else replied with like a hot dog face, like something dumb like that. And so when we started medical school, I took one of these just dumb sort of funny pictures and I made a sticker out of it. And I slapped on random places and Evan, our buddy, would find them. So Adam took one of these stickers, slapped it on his water bottle that he took to the hospital all the time. And it was super funny. Like all these different attendings and residents just really got a hoot out of it. So it's been sort of like a fun inside joke. So this is just a fun going away present where you can always have a funny conversation piece. Oh, I can breathe again. Oh, this is so cool. What a funny going away present.
What is this?
You make,
is this
it's a shifter knob for your car.
And it's Evan's face.
But look, it's Evan's face!
Oh my god,
So,
this is amazing.
It's this,
Wait, how did you do this? 3D printer or what?
No, it's literally just resin layered and then a sticker in there.
You made this whole thing?
Yeah, and then I tapped it, so it should fit your shifter knob, so we're gonna have to try that.
This is amazing!
Ah!
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
So I think I was tightening it. Oh, dude.
Oh! Yes!
That is so funny. Oh my gosh.
That's amazing.
That is hilarious, dude.
Dude, that is so...
Tell me that isn't
That is so
the
great.
funniest thing ever. So many co-residents and random people being like, what the heck is that?
I can't wait to see my dad's face when he sees it.
Yes.
Oh, it feels good.
Oh, is it too big?
It's pretty big.
It's pretty bulbous.
Where have I seen you before?
I don't know.
Well, I feel like I've seen your face someplace.
Dude, look at this evidence. It's so funny. Awesome.
Yeah.
This angle, dude, this
Nothing
is so
puts me in
this.
drive more than Evan's face.
Oh, stop. Oh my god.
Look at that face.
I gotta try it. Yes.
Dude, it feels
Yes.
good, don't it?
It feels really good.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Is that bad for the transmission?
I probably should not do it anymore. Sorry, dude.